Oh, yeah. I wanna live with someone.
Oh yeah, I think I've never seen that. Do they find them now?
We watch it because we can't see in it, and they block it. So the longer you, the more intrigued we got watching your video. Okay. Because when we finally see who's in there.
That's where he was born at. Yeah, that's application he was born there.
How far is that? 15 minutes out?
Okay, I'll go for it.
Not allowed in the park, sir. That's all we're saying. Not allowed. It's just like the drug here.
Oh my God! No, I'm It is pretty much all packed away. Like these are bags. All I have to do is put them in. That was all like. I don't want to put those in bags. That is just an umbrella thing. That's a bag. That's a bag. These are bags. These are bags. They're
One strap. One strap, sir. You ready? You want to get rid of? Stuff like you stuff over there. Like this.
Part of them.
I'm gonna beat it up. Where are you gonna go? Alright, sir, we need you to put your stuff in the bag. This is the bag right here.
No, I'm not throwing it in my trash can. That's you want to violate my property and throw it in trash. You do it. That's why I'm going to do it. If you are going to put my property in the trash can, why? I'm not catching. Okay, so you're back. So, see, look at that. There was a break. That's the tool. What do you want me to put back? You're going to have.
Start folding the chairs up. Pick your stuff up so you can't be here, okay? We gotta clean this area. You have to move, sir. We gotta clean this area, okay?
I didn't clean it. What do you clean?
Sir? Sir, you have to move, sir. Let's
I
go.
don't know. You pass me to take the chairs. You don't do it. Let me show you now. Put it along with this car. He's stealing my stuff. I knew you were going to do it. I knew you were going to steal my stuff. This is that. That is that.
No, it's not.
My umbrella.
We're telling you. We're telling you. You need to move your stuff.
I was thinking like I wanted to take it down like
Here you go.
I'm freaking out.
Here you go. Now, here you go. Start picking these up.
I put this up when you guys first.
It's grass, sir.
No, it's just a pretty big guy. I found it when I put all this. But don't take it. I mean, it's I don't know.
Do you want it?
No, not really. Put it up when
Do you want it? Yes or no?
I don't know.
You don't know? Alright, here you go. Here you go. Sir, when you organize your stuff, put it away. Put it away.
I was doing my pants. I just buy around myself and everything. Put it up for free. He's got bags. Just doing something. They already took my. They're breaking my umbrella. They're breaking my umbrella. They're breaking my umbrella. They're destroying my property. They're destroying my property. I'm a citizen of this country. They're destroying my property. For no reason. It's not even there anymore. It wasn't even up. They're destroying my umbrella. They're destroying my personal property. They're destroying my personal property. I'm going to fuck my country. They come back. People destroy. Stop destroying my stuff, man. That's all good stuff. Stop throwing my stuff away.
Not throwing your stuff away. Putting it in bags because we need you to move.
They're backpacks. Their bags are already there.
Putting the rest of the stuff in backpacks.
That's my passport. That's what my passport is.
Yeah, there's a lot that's going on. I need you to focus on breathing.
Destroy my stuff. That's all I have in the world.
We're not throwing your stuff away. We're storing
I already took my ability to just put it in this truck. You're storing your where in the trash can. I'm never going to know storage is. What are they going to store it? I never get to storage. How would I get to storage? Storage. I can throw it away. They always throw it away.
right now. You're obviously incapable of talking or focusing.
I'm being robbed by the police in my own country. For nothing.
You already explained to you every time to put your stuff away.
It was all put away in bags and stored away. Why is he putting bags in bags?
So how is it that stuff was already put away and you're now putting stuff away? Yeah,
Stop killing me, man.
trying to talk to you.
Destroy all the trash. That's what you were trash bags. Why didn't want to put it in trash bags? Because you can throw all my stuff. I have nothing. I'm on the street for the
That music is coming from there.
We asked you to put your stuff away. Your stuff is in bags because you were unable to put your stuff away. Brent, this is all your stuff right here. Can you focus on what's actually happening rather than what you think is going to happen?
Hey, sir.
All your stuff is right here in front of you.
Sir, can you hear me out? Law says behind us, you want a pair of shoes? I know you mentioned you don't have any.
I have shoes. They probably threw those away first.
Do you want a pair, yes or no?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay.
I don't know my stuff to go. It's like a robber homeless house. What do I do? I didn't deserve to get robbed by the police.
Had it like structure out of the park. Try to give you some time to put your stuff away. You were unable to. So we assisted you in putting your stuff away.
Surrounding me with police officers.
Yes, you're very stressed. I can see that.
It's surrounded. It's surrounded by armed people for doing nothing but making stand on.
Try to give you time. I gave you 15 minutes.
All my stuff is gone.
Alright, Brent, do you have any questions or concerns?
Why would
Not a
I
question.
do anything? What did I do to get the street?
I explained it to you. I
Who was the
explained
complaint
it to you.
who complained?
The issue is you had a tent-like structure on the park and you were unable/unwilling to move and pack your stuff away.
When you were telling me I did not.
Yes, it was. If it was not up, then you would have had nothing to put away.
It's a tent-like structure, sir. It's not allowed. It was completely. You had more than two sides.
No, I wouldn't tell you. I closed it after.
Okay, you closed it after. That's what we were.
I didn't break any laws. You stand on cops, are you? This is how you start this country. Pick on the moon.
Why don't you put your sign on your beautiful art? Maybe you'll get some kids.
I was going to. Right now, I was going to talk. Oh, yeah. That's my car. Now I'm like, what? Now where am I going to sleep tonight? Sleep on the grate? I'm going to cover myself in a trash bag. Feel like real garbage. And it looks like you feel better, so I feel like real garbage. I got to sleep on the ground in the trash. I hope you're going to help because some people are trying to get me. Poor man. That like one little spot where I can sleep and feel like I was comfortable for no reason. It wasn't hurting me. It was a cat hurting me.
Have you heard of the Venice Family Clinic here?
I have been to shelters and clinics. Same thing. I have stressed. I am stressed out way more. I'm not really like this. I usually just do stand up and chill.
Well, it sounds like maybe some medication could help you.
I do. I'm literally not surrounded by armed men destroying my rights in my own country, saying that they're doing it for a good cause. What good cause could taking a man's tiny tent do? A sunshade. It's not even a real tent. It's not a real tent.
You have a good day, okay?
Yeah, I got my rights violated by the people I thought were supposed to help people. Not mess with fucking poor, broken, homeless people. These are real criminals you can go
Just
after.
can't have an erect tent in the park. That's it.
It was just a sunshade.
No, you had three or more than two sides. That's
I
not
know, I
allowed.
put them up after you guys told me to take it.
It's not allowed, though, sir. Yeah, let's keep that in mind.
You
That's
said
all.
it before there were sides on it that you were taking.
No, no more than two sides. It's not allowed.
It was myself.
It's a tent-like structure. It's not allowed. Have a good rest of the day.
So you treat Good to know. Good to know it's how you treat the vets. Take their fucking small little pieces.
Okay.
Some would say yes.
You're a veteran, Brent?
Yes,
What branch?
I got issues. Marines.
What was your MLS?
Grew up, I was in 35th.
So what was your
was infantry. I was fucking light infantry, usually road hungry. I was always a sergeant. My 4-man squad. We did patrol. That's it. I didn't even want to do it. I didn't even like going over there. They didn't even want our help over there. This fucking place is messed up. When we just drove around, and every once in a while someone got blown up, and then you just drove around, We didn't even shoot anybody. They didn't do anything. We just drove around, and people got blown up, and then the people all hated us. Like everybody hated us. The kids hated us. Everybody hates. Like why help? Why help? Like everybody hates. You don't even know. Like, you don't know. Then you're worried.
Some nice pair of shoes right there.
It's not okay when I get my rights violated for doing nothing but in a tent on a beach. What kind of freaking beach doesn't let you have a beach shade? It's literally, I think it says beach shade on the thing. It says beach shade. Like, you got a beach? Like, you can't have a beach shade on a beach? A beach? It's not a beach. Doesn't make sense.
Hey Brent, let me try to talk to the DA for you.
I'm not going back. I'm not having a fucking cry in me anymore. I've been down there. I've been to the vet shelter. I've been over the fence. I do not like talking to the psychiatrists. They all say the same thing. Man, breathe in, breathe out. Always think of that. Talk it out. Talk it out with the other vets. Tell your stories. You get it out, it'll stay out. It doesn't stay out. It's still there. I don't care. I don't like their services. They are not very helpful. And a bunch of guys that are all worked up, sitting in the room together, talking about their worked up, and they all have the same kind of memories, so they're all freaking out at the same time. My name is Brent. I give you the first name. Brent. I give you Brent. I have no laws. I have no obligation to hold my name or my ID or anything. Okay, my name is Brent. Nope. I brought in no laws. I did nothing wrong. It's public property. I violated. No, I do not have to get my name. I don't have to do anything. It's a free country. You don't have to give all your personal information to people for sitting on the side of the beach.
Well, I'm trying to connect you with the DA, but if you don't want,
I don't like it. I've been to the. I don't like the DA. I don't like the way they do it. Okay, that's just personal. Some guys like it. Some guys like it. Some guys like going to sit in the group and talk out the problem. I don't talk about my problem. I do sand sculpture. I do sand sculpture. I do sand sculpture. Stay with myself. Sometimes I paint. I didn't want to do it. I didn't like it. I signed up because they said it was me. And I did one, and I went over one, they offered to go and stay on. And I didn't do that. Why? What are we doing? Walk around, police in the streets that we don't like own? Like, I don't want to be a place telling people who are in the country what to do with their lives. Like, you know, we're going to be the world's police. Like,
sir, I was wondering, is there a